Hey, so this video is for anybody with an MSI laptop who's been trying to get their sound driver to work this whole time. Downloading the software doesn't help most of the time, as I've figured out. I've been trying to fix it for a day now, but I finally did get a solution. So basically, it's really easy. What you want to do is make sure you unplug your power cable. And then once you unplug your power cable, you just go over here to the start menu and shut down your laptop. But for the sake of this video, I'm actually just going to shut it down by myself through the power button. Okay, so as you can see, it is off. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a hard reset. We're just going to hold the power button for a couple of seconds. The laptop is going to turn on and then turn back off, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to press the button now. So the laptop's turning on. And you see, immediately goes off. Then we're going to hold it for another 10 seconds. Awesome. And that's it. So the first thing you're going to notice is when you try and turn it on, it's going to seem like the power button isn't working at all. Nothing's reacting, but it is because we did a hard reset with the battery still in it. So what you're going to need, just make sure you have a power cable handy, and then we're just going to plug it back in. Alright, so once it's plugged in, we're going to press the power button one more time. As you can see, it turns on, and then it will turn off, but don't be surprised. It's going to do that a couple of times while it gets itself together. Yep, then it went off again. Alright, it should turn on one more time. Alright, if I'm correct, it should maybe do it one more time. If not, it will go all the way through to the start menu. This is kind of a long video, but I'm going to take you through the whole process to get your laptop back up and running and your sound driver being on. It's going to get a little bit quiet because there's really not much to talk about. But once it loads up and takes you into the desktop, you should actually have your sound driver right back on.